Today in So's Food Corner, we are celebrating the king of fruits, that's mango, and I'll be sharing a delicious recipe, a dessert recipe made from mangoes, which is perfect in this season. And this recipe is known to lower the body temperature from the scorching sun heat, and believe me, it tastes so yum. So, presenting before you mango shrikhand or amrakhand. Enjoy this recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this awesome recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken a plain curd or yogurt around 800 gram. It's my homemade curd and you can see the consistency. It's lovely thick curd. I had actually set it in this earthenware. So this curd has beautifully set, and you can see the consistency, the body, the texture, it's perfect. I had taken around 800 grams of curd. It's around 800 grams of curd, but you can prepare this recipe with less amount depending upon your family members. So further, for this recipe, I just need to have hung curd. So here I have taken a muslin cloth. You can take any light cotton cloth. So basically we need to drain out all the moisture from this curd. So here I'll add all the curd that I had set. So 800 grams of curd I had taken. So after the moisture drains out, remaining will be around 400 to 500 grams. You can know from the amount once you have set it. And now I have transferred all the curd. Now I'll try a nut here, and basically what I'll do, I'll hang it in a place where the moisture can be drained, or you can also place it in a strainer and put some weight on the top of it, but I prefer the hanging method. Especially you can hang it overnight, or where you can see the water drips down. I'll show you. I had prepared this in this way, and here I'll hang it here. See, I have a mesh here. I normally use this to keep things that I wash, and here the water drips out in this. I have kept a ball here. You can also do the same way in the kitchen tap where the water drips to the sink. Depends upon your choice, but I had done in this way. Let it drip overnight or minimum 6 hours, and next morning I'll prepare this recipe. So I have taken here ripe mangoes around 1.5 cups. The pulp I have taken, the body of the mangoes, and you can see these are beautiful homegrown organic mangoes. I just love the beautiful color of this golden mangoes. And so now I have used a whisker to just mash it. I won't suggest to use a blender at this stage, because the fine chunks of this mangoes that we make puree using a whisker, that really adds the zing of the recipe. Small tits and bits of the mangoes that are left in this puree, basically I am just whisking it. Once I have just mashed it in this whisker, I am just again whisking it. So this actually will give a beautiful body to our amrakhand or shrikhand, and I just love the taste. So this is it. You can see how beautiful my puree has become. As I said, small tits and bits, let it be there. It will just give explosion of flavors in your mouth once your shrikhand is ready. And this is it. And after overnight I had just hung this curd, and now I'll show you what is the result when we hang this curd for overnight. And so you can see it has somehow transferred to shape of paneer, texture and consistency of paneer. I'll just show you what I'm talking about, a little small amount. You can see here it's super soft, it's creamy, and it's somewhat like butter, very smooth. So this is what we want, this chakka, or you can tell hung curd. So this goes inside a ball, and now again I'll use my whisker and whisk it for around 3 to 4 minutes continuously till it gets a nice creamy texture. So what we have done here is that we have extracted all the moisture from this curd, and now what remains is the body. So when we whisk it, air inculcates in it and it's become more airy, soft, especially like cream. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Do not add water or milk, anything, because that will give the lovely flavor. And once I'll mix it, I'll add some sugar. I'll add powdered sugar around 4 to 5 tablespoons. You can increase the amount, but my mangoes are sweeter, so I have added 4 to 5 tablespoons. Half teaspoon of cardamom seed powder goes in. You can also add at this stage 2 to 3 drops of milk plus saffron. but I did not use that because my mangoes had awesome color. But if you feel your mangoes have little less color, you can also apply that trick. Saffron really gives that zing. And after mixing, my hung curd is ready. To this I'll add the prepared puree, and again I'll mix it. Just see the color of my mangoes. These, as I said, these are my homegrown and organic mangoes, and the taste is just lovely. I can't explain it in this video, but yes, I just love the flavor and color of these mangoes. Now give it a mix, and these are beautifully mixed. I had not added any saffron or anything else, just the rustic raw flavor of this. You can either keep it in fridge at this stage and then serve in individual balls, or as I have done, I have first served it in individual balls and then I have kept that serving ball in the fridge. So here in a beautiful serveware, I'll just take out some amkrand, and then few pieces of delicious ripe mangoes goes on top of it, a zing of mint leaf. This really adds to the color and has a lovely texture. Some saffron starch goes on top of it. Saffron is completely optional, but I have added just to enhance the look and taste. And now I'll just keep it in fridge for 1 hour. As I said, you can also keep it in fridge earlier and then serve it. And these beautiful balls of goodness are ready. You can see how lovely it has turned out. I just love the rustic flavor of mangoes curd. Nothing fancy, nothing executive, but yes, the taste is just awesome. And this recipe surely calls for a try in the season of mangoes. I have literally not switched on the gas for this recipe, and I have prepared a lovely yummy dessert. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Sachin Shubhankar. He writes, accidentally came across this channel and fell in love with the recipes. Thank you so much, Sachin, for such beautiful confession, and I just love the fact that you actually like my recipes. Welcome to Sue's Food Corner YouTube family. Enjoy with us and stay connected. And this recipe is one of the easiest, quickest and yummiest mango dessert. I just love the rustic flavor of the mangoes with curd, and yes, I had literally not switched out any flame, so no cooking. Lovely dessert. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. And if you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.